Mayweather thanks B-Day NBA Youngboy for their son's KJ's Christmas surprise and adorable new puppy. Yaya Mayweather shows appreciation to NBA Youngboy after he gifted their son a cute new puppy for Christmas. Comments are already flooding in, getting to say this is so beautiful, as we all know that they have a lovely couple together. Thank you to KJ's dad for the best Christmas surprise. He loves his new puppy, with a photo showing that he was definitely sleeping close. The sweetest gesture had social media reacting as fans praised the moment and the joy it brought to their son during the holiday. Despite everything that gets talked about online, moments like this highlights family and familyhood. Fans flooded the comments showing love to their Christmas surprise and calling it a win for KJ.